Hey guys, so this video is for those people wondering how to donate TALABAT reward points to charity. So if you come here to the bottom right, you'll see your account section, and if you tap on that, you'll see rewards right here and the number of points you have. So you can tap here on rewards, and the reward catalog will actually have charity options depending on the time of the year. This is not available year-round in the points redemption section. You need to wait for times such as Ramadan or when they have other charity campaigns. You'll see it all the way down here under this section, okay, here at the bottom. And if the option is missing, that means that TALABAT is not currently facilitating point to charity conversion in your region. So what you can do if you still want to give to charity, you can come to the home section, click on give back. You'll see the different charities you can give to right here and add them to your card and proceed to checkout. Okay, and you can donate right here, as you can see. And that is how to donate TALABAT reward points to charity.